Namaste, I'm Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making garlic naan. Usually naan is prepared over a tandoor, which is a cylindrical clay or metal oven, but we are making it over a stovetop in a very simple way. If you are new here, I make easy vegan or plant-based recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you would like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I post a new video. These are the list of ingredients we would need for the garlic naan. You can find the detailed list in the description section. Let's start by activating the yeast. In a bowl, take 150 ml of lukewarm water and then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix the sugar till it dissolves in the water. Add half teaspoon of dry yeast. The yeast will feed on the sugar, which will help it to get activated. I have fast forwarded the yeast activation process. It will look something like this. This may take around 15 to 20 minutes. To a bowl, add 300 grams of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix it well. Then add the yeast water to the pan and mix again. As the flour is still dry, we are going to add 50 ml of water or as much as needed to knead the dough in the right consistency. Remember, even though the dough might look dry, when you start kneading, you will realize the actual moisture content in it. So be careful while adding water to it. If you end up adding more water, just add some more dry flour to balance it out. We are going to knead the dough till it's soft. It took me close to 10 to 12 minutes till it got really smooth. You will always know when the dough is well done. This one is ready right here. Now to the same bowl, add half teaspoon of olive oil. Add the dough to the bowl and roll it in the olive oil so it covers all sides. Cover it with a plastic film and let it rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you'll see that the dough has risen and almost doubled in size. Remove the plastic film. The dough is soft and fluffy. Take it out on a flatter surface. Spread the dough and try to give it a rectangular shape so we can divide it into smaller pieces. Spread it roughly, then using a knife make equal partitions. For the garlic naan, we need to roll the dough in a thick fashion, so don't make very small pieces. Now take the individual slice and tuck it from outside to inside, making it into a small ball. Don't roll it, as it will be easier in this way and it will be more effective. Once all the pieces are nicely formed into smaller balls, let them rest for 15 to 20 minutes by covering them with a plastic film or a towel. The balls have risen slightly in the past 20 minutes. Now it's time to roll them out into garlic naans. Take one of the dough ball and let the others be covered so they don't dry out. Flatten the dough a little and then add little dry flour. Remember to use the dry flour as less as possible. Now flatten the dough again. Then using the rolling pin, roll the dough in an elliptical or oval shape. You can give them any shape of your choice, but don't worry about the shape too much, to be very honest, as long as you roll out the dough evenly. Like I mentioned before, the dough should be rolled out in a thicker fashion, so don't roll it out too much as the texture of the naan won't be correct if they are thin. Once you are done, take the grated garlic and finely chopped coriander leaves and add like 2 teaspoons or as much as you need on top of the dough. Try to spread it evenly across the naan. Now take the rolling pin and with a light hand roll it over the naan, giving it a very slight press so the garlic and coriander sticks to the surface. Make sure you clean the rolling pin before rolling out the next naan. Heat a pan. I'm using a ceramic pan. You can use any pan of your choice. We need to make sure that the pan is really hot. Meanwhile, apply water to the backside of the naan. This will help the naan to stick to the pan for some time and get cooked, giving it the same texture as we get in tandoors. You can also flip the naan entirely and apply water, however you feel comfortable. Once the pan is really hot, place the garlic naan on the pan and press it slightly to ensure that it is sticking to the pan. I have fast forwarded the video to show you how it will look and how you can see the air bubbles inside the naan. After you see the air bubbles across the top surface, check the bottom of the naan. If it's nice and brown throughout, then it's time to flip it. Remove the pan from the stove top and directly place the naan on top of the heat. Keep moving the naan so it gets cooked evenly from all the sides and does not burn. As you can see, the garlic naan is perfectly cooked from the bottom, and if you're scared of putting it directly on top of the flame, you can just flip it on top of the pan itself. So that's it guys, the garlic naan is ready. Serve it with some hot curry and it's the best thing in the world. The texture of this naan is perfect and it smells amazing. I was always intimidated by the thought of making garlic naans at home and didn't know how easy it was till I made them. So guys, let me know in the comments if you have tried making garlic naans or naans at home before and how was your experience. So if you liked this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. If you're thinking what's the best side dish for naan is, check out this easy chickpeas curry or vegan chili recipe videos. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan video. Until then, bye.